Looking for a quick and tasty snack? Today I am making a crispy aloo matar sandwich with simple ingredients and amazing flavor. First, let's prepare the green chutney. Take a mixer grinder and add mint leaves, coriander leaves, garlic, ginger, and add sugar. Grind everything well. Add 1 spoon lemon juice. Fresh green chutney is ready. Now place a pan on the stove and add some oil. Add chopped green chilli, pinch turmeric powder, add chopped onions. Fry nicely until onions turn soft. Now add red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and a pinch of amchur powder. Mix well. Add boiled potatoes and mash them lightly. Then add boiled green peas. Salt to taste and add chaat masala. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Our aloo matar filling is ready. Now take bread slice, apply tomato sauce on one slice and green chutney on another slice. Spread the aloo matar mix evenly on the bread. Grate some cheese on top and cover with another bread slice.
Heat a pan.
And place the sandwich on it. Toast from both sides until golden and crispy. Flip it a couple of times. Your delicious aloo matar sandwich is ready. Look at this crispy outside and soft, tasty filling inside. If you enjoy the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.